Today we're going to review the BougeRV telescopic rechargeable camping lantern. This versatile and durable lantern is designed for all of your outdoor adventures, providing powerful and adjustable light when you need it most. With a 13,400 mAh rechargeable battery that can last an incredible 77 hours, the BougeRV lantern is both eco-friendly and convenient, saving you from the hassle of replacing your batteries. The telescopic design allows you to adjust the height of the lantern up to 43 inches, offering more focused or diffused light depending upon your needs. And the 4 different rotating lamp panels allow you to aim the light to your liking. It also features 2 different color temperatures and various brightness levels to give you 9 total settings. So whether you need a soft glow for your tent or a bright light for cooking or working, this lantern has got you covered. Equipped with a USB-C output port, the camping lantern even can be used as a portable power bank in a bind. But it can also be easily charged up via portable batteries or solar panels to provide light for however long your camping trip lasts. And finally, the base is magnetic, allowing it to securely attach to metal surfaces. With its myriad of options and a 1-year warranty, the BougeRV telescopic lantern is a force to be reckoned with. For anyone in need of a reliable and portable light solution, we highly recommend it.